In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Smart Compose. If those gray predictive suggestions in Gmail keep popping up while you type and you'd rather write your messages without them, this quick walkthrough on a computer will show you exactly how to switch them off. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into the account you want to adjust. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, you'll see a link that says See All Settings. Go ahead and select that so we can access the full set of options. You'll land on the General tab, which is where most of Gmail's core preferences live. Stay on this tab and scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Compose. This is the feature that tries to finish your sentences with suggested words based on what you're typing. If you prefer not to see those suggestions, choose Writing Suggestions off. As soon as you select that option, you've effectively told Gmail to stop showing predictive text while you compose. There's one more important part to make this change stick. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will apply your new setting and you may briefly see the inbox reload. Without clicking Save Changes, the setting won't be updated, so be sure you complete that step before leaving the page. From now on, when you compose an email, you shouldn't see the gray text prompting you with suggested phrasing. This can make writing feel more natural and reduce the temptation to accept wording you didn't intend. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Smart Compose section in the General tab and switch writing suggestions back on. The process is the same and it takes just a moment. A quick tip as you navigate. Smart Compose sits among other writing-related options in the General tab, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit to find it. And if you manage multiple Gmail accounts, remember that settings are applied per account, so repeat these steps for any other inbox where you want Smart Compose turned off. That's all there is to it. You've turned off Smart Compose on your computer, giving you full control over how your messages are written. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you customize Gmail to match your writing style.